Here we have our MPCNC ready to get wired, I guess. Off camera I put in these chains for the cables to run through. Got the support bar on. Figured out the wiring for it, I think. We'll see if I can print that up for a better drawing and see if I can get some of this soldering and stuff on tape. We're going to tie all these grounds together, these shielding grounds, because then they'll be grounded back at the control box. So we have two stepper motors per axis, except for the Z's, just one. So we wire the motors in series, just run one driver. This cable I have is an 8 conductor shielded twisted pair cable of some sort. This is just temporary. We'll make sure it works before we button everything up. Well, all the rough wiring's done. Nothing's really tidied up or anything, but you know, keep everything organized. It'll be nice and simple. Let's plug it in and see if we can take her for a test run. We have this set up so we can just print from the card. I did that so I wouldn't have to have a cord run into a laptop for when the plasma cutter turns on. There's the trial run.